Hello everyone and welcome once again to MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. I am your host, your host and always again in the ghost mode, Mohit Jain, with the 10 of the questions from direction and distance direction sense, which is a popular topic not even in TCS NQT but any competitive examination, any company recruitment aptitude test. So let's practice few, and after this session, next session would be a mock test on direction and distance, which would be actual question asked from TCS NQT. So I think that we all are looking forward to that also, but for this session we will try and practice few questions on direction and distances. So on that note, let's begin now. The basic concept in time is same, that there are four basic directions: north, south and west, east. Now our question always starts from the origin. Babu walked 2 km west. So if this is the starting point, he walks 2 km west from his office and then turns south covering 4 km. South direction, 4 km. Finally, he walked 3 km towards east. East is towards his left, 3 km. This is 2 and this is 1 more. And again move 1 km west, means backward direction. Backward direction, and he comes to at this position, which is actually perpendicularly down to the position from where he have started, that is his office. How far is Babu from his initial position? So if we can see, this is a rectangle, this distance should be 4 km. Babu is 4 km from his initial position. Option A fits in. Baby walks 10 km towards north. Let baby start from origin O, walks 10 km towards north. We know that north, south, and this is west, and this direction is east from the origin. So this is 10 km. She walks 6 km towards south, then again she come back and walks 6 km towards south again. So this distance is 4 now. From here she moves 3 km towards east. This distance 3 km, because east is towards my right. How far and in which direction is C with reference to the starting point? Now this is the starting point. We can see a right angle triangle. This is 3 km and this base is 4. That means hypotenuse should be root over 4 square plus 3 square. That is 16 plus 9, 25. That means the distance from the starting point to the finish point is 5 km. Now in which direction it is? If this is origin, then here we can see is F. This direction is between east and north. This is northeast direction. So how far? 5 kilometers. And in which direction is C with reference to a starting point? Northeast. So answer should be 5 km northeast. 5 km northeast is in option A. Early morning after sunrise. Okay, we know this. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So when the sun rises in the east, our shadow would be towards the west. That means towards, if you are watching the sun, your shadow should be towards your back. At 12 noon there is no shadow, and then as it starts setting down in west, the shadow again moves towards east. Now the shadow is towards west. Let's see what is the gimmick with shadow in this question. Early morning after sunrise, Rajni was standing in front of her house in such a way that a shadow was falling exactly behind her. That means she is the lady. She is heading towards east. That's why her shadow is towards her back, and that is towards west, as we have seen here. She starts walking straight and walks 5 meters. Start walking straight towards east, 5 meters. She turns to her left and walks 3 meters. Left would be towards north, 3 meters. And again turning to her left, walks 2 meters. Again left will be towards west now. This is 2 meters. So this is also 2, this is 3. This is the starting point. This is the end point where she stops. Now in which direction is C from her starting point? If this is the starting point, then what is this direction? This direction is between north and east. This is northeast. Option A fits in. Okay, now we have Jerry the mouse, and let's see what's happening with him. North, south, west, east. Jerry the mouse runs 20 towards east. This is the starting point, towards east. 20. Turns right. Right means now turning towards south, runs 10. And turns to right again. Now if he is heading towards south, right means my left, runs 9. Heading towards west now. And again turns to left and runs 5. Left means towards south now. Runs 5. And then to left runs 12. Left, if you are heading towards south and you are supposed to turn left, that means towards my right now. Isn't it? Yes. 12. This is 9 and now this is 3. So now you are heading towards, Jerry the mouse is heading towards east. Finally turns to left and runs 6. Finally turns to left means heading towards north, runs 6, and this is his final position. Now which direction is the mouse facing? Mouse is facing towards north. Option A is the answer. And now who is traveling? Kirti is traveling. Travel 10 meters from a restaurant and turns to her left. In which direction? We don't know. Let's start maybe like she starts towards the north. Restaurant. Travel 10 meters from a restaurant and turns to her left. 10 meters and turns to her left. After that she turns to right. Okay, first she turns to the left. After that she turns to the right from the crossing. Right should be towards the north. After moving certain yards she turns to left and again, okay, first she turns to left and again turns to left after moving some distance. Again towards the left, moving towards the south now. Finally, she turns to right. So, if she is moving towards the south, right means to our left. If at final position she is facing north direction, then which direction she was facing while coming out from the restaurant? Now it said that this is north. And if this is north, restaurant is in the west. So if this is the starting point, she actually moves towards east. Isn't it? Then which direction she was facing while coming out from the restaurant? It is east. Option C shall fit in. Now we have Ramya. Ramya walked 25 meters towards south. starting point 25 meters south. Then she turned to her left and walked 20 meters. If she is heading towards south, left means my right, 20 meters. Now she is walking towards east. She then turned to her left and walked 25 meters. Left means towards north. She has started walking 25 meters. Now this position is actually in horizontal distance from the starting position. That is 25. She again turned to her right and walked 15 meters. Right means towards West Bengal, that is east, 15. Now this is her final position. At what distance is she from the starting point and in which direction? So we can see that this was the horizontal distance of 20. So this total distance is 20 plus 15, that is 35 meter. And if this is the starting point, it is towards West Bengal, that is east. So at what distance is she from the starting point? 35 meter. And in which direction? East. 35 meter east. Option A fits in. Now who is walking? Revati. After 4 p.m. on a sunny day, when Revati was returning from her school, she saw her uncle coming in the opposite direction. Her uncle talked to her for some time. Revati saw that shadow of her uncle was to his right side. Which direction was her uncle facing during their talk? We know that at 4 o'clock, sun is towards to set down in west. And at 4 o'clock, shadow would be towards east. So, if a person is standing here, shadow at 4 o'clock should be towards his east. And to a person, east is towards his right only when this person is facing towards north. If you are facing towards north, you will see that to the right is your east. North, if you are facing towards north, to your right is your east, and to the left is your west. But at 4 o'clock, your shadow should be towards the east, and her uncle shadow was towards her right side. That means her uncle was facing towards north. Which direction was her uncle facing during their talk? That is north. That is in option C. And now different question can also be asked on this particular question. To which direction Revati was coming? Revati is coming from opposite direction. That means Revati is heading towards south. Her uncle is heading towards north. And shadow is towards east. And Revati's shadow should also be towards east, but that will be towards her left. So many different questions can be built around the same set of information. Let's see the next one. Now yes, what we have in this, if the digit 12 of a clock is pointing towards east, okay, so we know this is 12, 6, 9, 3, and this is east. If this is east, then obviously this should be north, this is west, and 3 o'clock should be towards south. Let's see the question. If the digit 12 of a clock is pointing towards east, then in which direction will be digit 9? Digit 9 would be pointing towards north. Option B fits in. And based on this, any question can be asked in which direction, which all digits are, and on and on. Kavya, this time Kavya is moving. Kavya starts from her house and goes towards 15 meter north. North, south, V. East is towards West Bengal, isn't it? And goes towards 15 meter north. Starting point 15 meter north. She then turns to her right, that is my right, and walks 30 meters. 30 meters towards east. Before taking right turn and moving again up to 30 meters. Now from east, if you take right turn, that means you are moving towards south. 15 in parallel to this, but you are moving how much? 30 meters. So this would be 15 more. And reaches a temple. This is temple towards the south. South में वैसे भी temples बहुत हैं. Okay, this is the final position. In which direction is the temple with respect to Kavya's house? This is Kavya's house, and we are looking out for this direction. This is south, and this direction is east. Between south and east, it is in southeast direction. Option D fits in. Okay, on to the last sample question, which was an easy practice session, which will lead us to a mock test, which is going to be aired very soon. I hope you people will also join me there in writing that mock test. 6 questions, 6-minute mock test, and that's how it should be done. So let's see this one. One day Parvati, okay, Pujaniya Parvati ji is with us. Parvati left home, north, south, west, east. Directions should be clear. Parvati left home and cycled 10 kilometers southward. 10 kilometers southward. This is the starting point. Turned right and cycled 5. Right means towards my left. Cycled 5. And turns right and cycled 10. Now heading towards west and turning right means turning towards north and cycling 10 again. That means these 2 points are in lateral distance with each other. And turn left and cycle 10 kilometers. Turn left again, that means towards west, and cycle 10 kilometers. So this is the final position and this is the starting position. Now the question, how many kilometers will she have to cycle to reach her home straight? This is the way she need to take to reach her home straight. This is 10 kilometer and this one is supposed to be 5 kilometer, as we can see from this particular rectangle. 15 kilometer she need to cycle to reach to her home straight, and that is in option B. Thank you everyone for participating. This is Mohit Jain signing off from MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you, in this hope that you will subscribe to the channel, you will comment, like and share the content, and if you like the effort we are putting in for you with the basics, with the advanced questions, with mock series, with actual question series, with sample short series, with sample short series and concept series, please do subscribe to the channel and let us know what more we can do it for you. On this note, please, I'm looking forward to the mock test on direction and distances, 6 questions, 6 minutes test. We would be focusing very soon, maybe in the next session. So stay connected with us and do participate then also. On this note, I'm Mohit Jain signing off once again, and thank you everyone once again for participating.